Hi, my name is Grandson.
My name is B. Today we gonna introduce the product that represent the old world and new worlds. First, we will going to prepare apple crisp and hot cocoa. Step one from the old world. Peel and select apple, then put into water so that it won't brown. Step 2. Mix first group of ingredients: sugar, flour, water, and cinnamon. Step 3. Peel apple in baking trays. Sprinkle mixture over apple.
Step 4. Mix half of ingredients: oat, flour, brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and milk butter. Pour over apple. Step 5. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. All ingredients we need to make an apple crisp: flour, brown sugar, oat, baking soda, powder, baking powder, water, sugar, and buttermilk, and cinnamon and flour.
Then the first peel apple in baking tray. So after the apple in the tray, mix ingredient from step 2. Here's sugar, 1 cup. Then 1 tablespoon of
Flour.
Then 1 teaspoon cinnamon. And 1 cup melting butter. Then start to gather ingredients, then sprinkle over apple. Take over the apple. Then after that, pour water over the apples.
Step 3. We are 2 cups of oat, in the bowl, and 2 cups of flour, then 2 cups of brown sugar, and 1 and 4 teaspoons of baking soda. And 1 and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1.5 cup of buttermilk. And we will mix them together.
Then sprinkle the manager
over the apple.
over the apple.
Then we will mix them together. The last step, when everything complete, we will put the apple clip into the oven.
Bake at 350 for 45 minutes.
The last thing, in the oven, we are going to prepare the hot cocoa. We have the product is half a cup of milk and cocoa, boiling water, vanilla, and the milk. Step 1. In saucepan, combine cocoa, sugar, pinch of salt, pour water into the mixture, bring to boil while you stir. Step 2. Simmer and stir for 2 minutes. Step 3. Stir in the milk, heat till hot but not boiling.
And the last step is remove from heat, add vanilla, pour in a milk, add cream to cool. We are going to show you guys how to make and how to cook.
1/3 cup unsweet cocoa powder. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1 pinch of salt. One and third cup of boiling water. Then we put into the stove.
And mix them together. And then serve it and stir for 2 minutes.
Then we add 3.5 cup of milk.
Add the milk, like simmer but not boil.
Then we add vanilla and take the heat off.
So right now everything is complete and I take out and ready to enjoy. Here is apple crab and here is hot cocoa. And
let you enjoy.
yeah, and together, and thanks for watching and see you guys next time.